Mostly routine stuff, as usual.
Why on earth has this one come to the ministry? It's quite an interesting one, though. The fellow reckons he developed a strain of killer bees. Fantastic.
Oh, not him again. Chap on Seagull Island, isn't it?
That's right. Have you heard from him before, then?
Heard from him? No, we must have filled about half a dozen waste paper baskets with bump from him over the years. Nutty as a fruitcake, he is. With his bees.
Well, he says unless you take him seriously this time, he's going to prove his point once and for all and unleash his bees to kill someone. You don't think he means it, do you?
We got an understanding, alright, that can only be found inside. It means that you love me, I love you, and nobody else will do. 'Cause that's all that I love you for. That's all that I need you for. That's all that I love you for. Oh, that's all that I need you for. I said that's all that I
Yes, well, there's these for you to sign for the studio, and 3 or 4 for the kids outside. Oh, Vicky, for goodness sake, what's the matter with you?
Yeah, I'm so tired. Exhausted.
Sweetie, come on now, it's not like you. If it's only one number, then you can have a nice rest in the car on the way to the theatre. 2 shows and then home to bed. And I'll switch the phone off until tomorrow morning.
Thank you, the Birds. I'm sure we all wish them the very best on their forthcoming tour of America.